So today I'm going to show you how to use toggles and how to add and create your own. So we're going to come up to this cute little star by here, and we're just going to click on the first thing. So this shows where you want it in regards to your model. This little cat represents your model. This is like in front, that's behind. Like, do you want it in the background? Do you want it in front of you? You just choose where you want it. If you want things stacked up layer wise, you can go, yeah, like that. So simple, easy. Now, in order to shrink it, just click on the item and scroll wheel further back. It might accidentally click your models. You might have to let go and like sort it. Then you just bring it over to your model and put it on you, and you just double click so it's stuck on you. And then it won't come off, see? Then you can make this into a new scene by clicking on the 3 stars and then coming over here. You can then label it, blah 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 blah. You can add this if you want. And everything that is on the screen at that point, so if you want to do multiple things for one toggle, you just do this. It should all show up on here, and you can like deselect what you want to keep and what you don't want to keep. Then you save. Then you go over to the settings. You go over to model settings. No, hotkey and expressions. That's it. Then as you can see, I have a bunch of other ones. You then add a plus. You go to hotkey animations. Then you go down to toggle scene item, select item scene, and then whatever you named it, you select that. And if you want to keybind it, you record the keybind, and that is how you set up a toggle. And so I can now toggle a muffin off and on my head. That's how you simply add a toggle. Now, how to add a custom toggle, something that you want to make, you're best to go over to Vtube, and in Vtube, you should create a new project. It can be any size. I just tend to choose Instagram one. It's simple. If you have something that you already want to add, just attach it to what you've made. So I'm just gonna take this character, delete the background, like get rid of it. You don't need it. You can put this however size you want. So I might as well take up more space with the character, because why not? So then you just go over, export. PNG should be fine. I think JPEG's fine as well. Either's fine. Then go over to Steam, go to VTube Studio, right click, manage, browse local files. This will bring up a pop-up for the file, which you can then go through VTube Studio Data, Streaming Assets, and then you have backgrounds. If you want to add a custom background, you can do that. Items, if you want to add items, so like the muffin on my head, you can add it there. Obviously you can add your model here. Yeah, if you go into items, it will load up this. As you can see, I have a bunch of extra stuff on mine already. So what I'm simply going to do is I'm going to load up the other file explorer I have. If you go in, You grab the asset you want, and you just chuck it in. Just drag and drop. Simple as, you don't need to do anything fancy, just drag and drop. And your character thing or whatever you want will be added to your thing. And then we go back over to Vtube Studio. And similar to what we did before with the muffin, you just scroll down until you find whatever it is you've done. I can't remember what the name is, but I think it's like new model, so it would be near the N or M. There we go, new project. And yeah, there's this. And I can just get a mini nos on my head. And there you go. That is how you add stuff to Vtube Studio. Now, obviously, if you decide I didn't want this, you just simply go to remove all from scene, and that will get rid of it. I don't know how to get rid of individual items. Last time I did it, I just kind of yeeted it into the void where she is. So, yeah. That's about it for like how to handle toggles and add toggles. So hopefully that helped, and yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Bye!